The question says that we should simplify this question. 20 root 5 root 28 minus 2 root 63, of which is a WAEC pass question. So after which we will look from the option A to D and pick our answer. So this is equals to 20 all over 5 root 4 times 7. If you punch your calculator, 7 times 4 will give you 28. So that is it minus 2 root 9 times 7. Same way, if you punch your calculator, 9 times 7 is equals to 63. So you discover that it confirms that. So this is equals to 20 all over. One of the rules of Surds states that when you have A times B is equals to root A times root B. So this is just rough work for you to understand. So this is 5 times 5 is multiplying all the surd. So this 4 times root 7 minus 2 times root 9 times root 7, which is equals to 20 all over 5 times root 4 is 2 times root 7 minus 2. Root 9 is 3. I will explain that. Root 9 is 3. Made the mistake. That's 3 times root 7. So from the instance, you discover that root 4 is equals to 2 square. 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. So the square go with the root. And same thing with root 9, which is equals to the root of 3 square. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So the square cancels out. That's why we have it to be 2 rather, and then root 9 to be 3. That's why we have the initials of the root 4 to be 2 and the root 9 to be 3. Hope you see that clear. There's 3. So this equals to 20. Conclusion. 20 all over 5 times 2 is 10 times root 7 minus 2 times 3 is 6 times the root of 7. So this now 20 all over, since 7 is common between these two, root 7 is common between these two sets of numbers, then we are going to isolate the 7 from each of them, making it to be 10 minus 6 all over root 7. So that when root 7 times 10, we have that. Root 7 times minus 6, we still have minus 6 times root 7. So this now equals to 20 all over 10 minus 6 is 4 root 7. So 20 all over 4 root 7 is now equals to 4 into 4. We have 1 time 4 into 20 5 times. So we have 5 all over root 7, on which in Surd we don't um, leave a final answer. That is, the final answer is not to have the denominator as root. So the denominator is not supposed to be in root. So for we taking off the root, it becomes root 7 all over root 7, which is equals to, let's start from the numerator before the denominator. So this 5 times root 7 all over root 7 times root 7, which is equals to 5 root 7 all over 7. Root 7 times root 7 is 7. Is 7. So this is our final answer. As you can see the uh, from the past question, you discover that the answer is A. Is A. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you on my next one.